how does a tile stick to a piece of plastic without sticking to a piece of plastic? So, what is this? Well, this is Ditra. This is Ditra Excel. We also have Ditra Heat. So how do you get a tile to stick to a floor without actually sticking to a floor?
How does it work, Sal?
How does it work? So show us how it works.
So notice it's not chemically bonded.
Just a mechanical bond.
Right.
So put that back. And that's on there. Really, you can't pull that off.
No.
Well,
it's supported.
it's supported. It's supported.
Not going anywhere.
Take it off again. So it's not stuck to the floor, but it's stuck to the floor.
It's attached.
It's attached. It's mechanically attached. So that's how you get a tile to stick to the floor without actually sticking to the floor.